platoon can really fly. Our platoon can really fly. Through the night and through the day. Through the night and through the day. Seagulls always lead the way. Seagulls always lead the way. Sound off. Sound off. Airborne. Airborne. Sound off. Sound off. Seagulls. Seagulls. Airborne. Seagulls. Airborne. Seagulls. Airborne. Seagulls. The best! Now, birds, as you know, we are the most elite force of flying fighters in the world. We must be disciplined. We must be courageous. We must be punctual. And we must use good grammar at all times. Airmen, you are out of uniform. What is your problem?
Dude, we're California Gold.
We're just looking for a place to serve.
Don't give me any lip, airmen. Now get back in formation before I clip your wings.
Sergeant, we've infiltrated the enemy. There's a swarm of crickets just about to attack that field over there.
Public brine shrimp. There's no time to lose.
Sergeant, we suggest a surprise attack from the air.
No, son, that's too obvious. Let's give him a surprise attack from the air.
Good idea.